Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize the store on Squarespace for fashion and clothing business, easy and quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know much about coding. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So that's it. Now first of all, you can create your website here. You can see templates. So click here, and now you can choose your topic. So here you can choose the type, online store, membership. So that's it. You can choose one of these. For example, uh, we're gonna do fashion and clothing, right? For example, let's go with fashion. So you can choose one of these templates here, and also you can build your own template. So let's get started with our template. So let's go. So here you can enter here your site name. Type any name you want for fashion and clothing. Build your home page here. Here you can choose your intro section. You can choose your product section. Um, Here you can choose your service section. For example, this your about section. Also here you can choose your social section and form section, and the last is the footer section. So that's it. Now let's continue. Here you can choose the color of your home page or the theme. You can choose the fonts. Oh, wait a few seconds. So here you can skip or continue. So let's continue. See what is this. So here you can describe your new site. For example, fashion and clothing uh, business. Here you can choose the writing style, professional. So here you can choose from this the website or commerce or marketing or scheduling or asset library or analytics or profiles or settings. So you can edit your homepage from here. So like this. So if you want to add a section, click here, and So here you can choose any section you want to add. For example, I want to add the events section, so choose one of these from here. I'm gonna choose this. You can move it, move the section, you can move it down. So first of all, you can edit the site header from here. You can change the site title and the logo. You can add the logo here from the library, or from you can upload a file also here from your library. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. This is here you can edit this, you can drag it, you can put it at any place. If you want to add image or a text, just click here, add block, and you can add the text or add the image. For example, let's add image from here. Click here and browse from the free image. So here you can let's see, let's say fashion and clothing. So for example, this, so you can put it at any place. Here you can delete it. If you don't like it, you can choose another one. You can duplicate it. Here you can align horizontally or align vertically. If you want to edit it, you can click here, and here you can edit it. You can add a link. So that's it. You can also add an image or on your section. So that's it. You can edit the labels, the button. You can here change the color of the labels. You can change the text on it. So that's it. Here you can change the text. You can change the text here. You can generate your text. If you wanna save some section, just click here and it will be saved. If you wanna remove some section, just click here and it will be deleted. So that's it. Here, this is the contact section. You can edit it. You can edit anything you want. And this is the footer. You can edit the footer here. So that's it. Now after you're done from this, just click here save, and it's gonna be saved, and publish it. Now you can publish your website and launch it. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your store for fashion and clothing business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.